Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. Honorable Richard Kwesi Ofurejima Mbodi. Chief, good morning.
Morning, Master. About this.
Nyamian to Manaswe.
Yes, I do.
Yes, so office book or there. Why busy pa? Why busy pa? Action also so koso. Na and then you perceive bisa Jumadia Woodiwa Asafo. Demolition course no. Yes, Yemusa say how far near Mati saying. Asafo Bibi. Send ye adia ye nim is. My Yemusa said and near Mati saying.
So the attempt they are clear me more baby.
Clear there's some clear. Now beyond the clearance, no what is it? The day. Okay.
Enti Rabbi Akoma, we are central for interview on me for I make an say. Ohoya Ghana Railway Development Authority assassin. And here now air course war na nya idea work Kumasi and only a KMA juma. Ufi kwa say John, ye hwe na say wo ya idea be haya e beti ba be yefio. Ye yefio wa na ya hwe amawa ye de. Ebebo ama ye nyina ya sitemu koye. Nti ya ka say name Ghana Railway mpanyin for ba ko di nhyiamu ampa. Me ne me preside member ne me management na yakọ enkwan ene the CEO of Ghana Railway Development Authority ono so ne management akosia edi nkita ho ache wo mu eniema ye hwe nim se ebetimi asi ewo ho ade a ye bepene amana ba ho eye ade a the transport delivery because railway no ewo transport sector enemo ena yes we yenya yenim se aban bai oboama railway no dwumade no pejan mu say train no be after take up water we me baby the everybody Kumasi also of course express highway aye fin kan aba Kumasi no mapenya director say yemfa 40 feet in ton change 40 meters in ton change say the be ya you bet me across the rail line say say that say there rail line no be Kumasi so ye be pese ke be ba be pie dum na man 40 me di edi akwanya ba nti designer ye be accept ewo ho ye accept say baby ye tu ni pay railway for the man ko for na be sisi adan wo ho ye be hwa ni mo an say temporary the rail line ni my idea omofa enye terminal na cars be ba ebu afa so Asafo patemo no kwa yin bi nko ho na ye ho en harry en kaka ti ye no madi sa nkita ho no ebio the whole terminal so I am penima will be permanent structure be amba temporal offices na omo de omo cars be ko no omo operate ewom na omo pay bi on so kama where they be ya that be the rail line in fema yembre nti there ye di nkomo na kwa odo.
I see enti it means that KMA monya imagine say bi anka railway for hand over the area no fama mo
omo hande my railway no ewo future development plans for Kumasi nti omun hande ho no MIA and we don't have any interest say yeje e ho no apart from providing the kind of leadership ebema ya safe
na bajo omo no railway for no maka say e ho no ehia wo mo de
yeah
omo si hia wo mo
ye ne omo di nkita ho no omo ma ye ho say hia wo mo pa
hey
one say one year odi ho ne man kofo ne bebre no Ghana Railway Company until last year mampeni revoke to me Ghana Railway Company the adwuma no the mampeni benefit no crash say obi okuta lease bia wo Ghana Railway Company dim bia enye adwuma bi nti adwuma ku fufura abasisi a ehwe railway no so ye Ghana Railway Development Authority one at least wadi hunu ni wana muntu different from Ghana Railway Company Limited nti Ghana Railway Development Authority na aba na money so wadi hunu a wo ofese omo revive the railway sector e hono ehia omo fae
because me kai say time nanado buy kase no mkaso omo sign be hwe na omo develop here railways na my no there was a discussion say adum de emma hobby I remember say
another coffee amana also
okay the plan necessary
Chief executive no go be in the next 2 weeks. Na ya hwe kwan ya be fa so a the aka no so ya de be fa so. I can assure you that maybe in the future there will be a lot more demolitions
within that stretch.
Yeah.
Wow. Now, so they are working. How soon? And you be who said development now start as in somebody who know your terminal no now.
And Yema really pay for no said in the next 2 weeks. Almost my technical committee with 3 officers from KMA and then 3 officers from Ghana Railway. Within the next 2 weeks, when they come, we'll inaugurate the committee. No much as the feasibility study. But I can say that even Railway Jumano, the number of people who are showing interest in developing the place into a terminal. By my door, I'm sure we'll put it to a good use.
Yeah, no, KMA Mona definitely Mona Mobe take that responsibility.
No. GRD, Ghana Rail Development Authority, and
okay.
Are responsible.
Okay, I see. And for now, dear, just protection and Modema said the bear Ibedruho.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Chief, yeah, that's it. And come on, we are near PC, near PC, whom way forward. Thank you very much. That's a part. And I read your name, Puma, so much.
Yo, hey, whoa.
Okay. That's it. Thank you very much. That is no, Eddie, no. You know, Nana, what are